The scale of the operation here is unprecedented. These massive assembly halls are where the next generation...
Okay, center the forks on that rocket fuselage crate. Take it slow, it's sensitive.
Affirmative, steady pressure.
We can't use this sheet, it's warped.
All right, send it back. The rest look good, though.
Ensure the torque is set to 75.
Check. Running diagnostics now.
The assembly line utilizes precision robotics to construct the cylindrical fuel tanks. The welding process is careful.
Lower by 5 centimeters, easy now.
5 centimeters, steady.
Clear on the starboard side.
We have green status on the forward clamps.
Pressure holding at nominal levels. Proceed with locking sequence.
Panel 4 alignment complete. Pressure checks holding steady at 900 psi.
Copy that. Proceeding to panel 5.
This connection point here aligns with the revised schematic.
Got it. I'll make the adjustment now.
Connection is torqued. We have a green status. Confirmed. Data uploaded.
Sensor alignment confirmed. The coupling is secure.
Telemetry shows nominal flow rates. Good connection.
Chamber pressure holding steady at 98%.
Telemetry looks nominal. We have a successful run.
The avionics looks stable. Did you verify the torque settings?
Yes, all green on the primary connections.
This one goes to the main bus. Make sure it's secured before the power-up sequence.
Optimal tension on nozzle C.
Data confirms the fit check is complete.
Ensure the torque is set correctly on the main housing.
Confirmed. And this thermal sensor array is fully calibrated.
Run diagnostic sequence 9. Confirm pressure readings on manifold 7.
Sequence complete. Pressure nominal.
Alignment looks good here.
Confirmed. Torque on panel 7 is within tolerance. Hold the lift steady. We are drifting slightly left. Adjust by 2 centimeters, very slowly now.
Torque is good on sensor 3.
Confirmed. Telemetry links are nominal across the board.
All systems green on the hydraulics array. Pressure stabilizing at nominal.
Confirmed. We are go for launch sequence initiation.
Copy that, Supervisor.
Checklist finalized. Pressure readings holding steady at 2,000 psi.
Confirmed, Supervisor. We are green for launch.
Steady, keep it coming down. Watch the alignment.
Clear on the east side.
All right, engage the clamps. We are good to go.
Connection secure.
Telemetry stable, all green.
Barriers secure. Fire suppression armed.
Confirmed on the tablet. All systems green.
We have a pass on the main parameters.
Confirmed. All systems nominal.
Barrier checks complete. Secure.
Control panel indicates all systems nominal, Chief.
Good work, gentlemen. Protocols finalized.
Range is green. Key turned.
Telemetry stable. We are go for launch.
Copy that. Final sequence initiated.
Hold at present altitude. Lower by 5 centimeters. Confirm contact. Roger that. We are secured.
Checks complete. All parameters nominal.
Excellent work. Let's prep for the next stage.
Actuator response is within tolerance.
Hydraulic check complete. System is green across the board.
Initiating alarm test.
Loud and clear. Pressure readings stable across the board.
Scanning complete on this segment.
No anomalies detected. We are clear for final review.
T-minus 30 seconds and counting.
Telemetry confirms stable trajectory.
All systems green. We are go for launch.
Lighting check on section 4. All indicators nominal.
Visuals confirm. Surface integrity is good. Final sign-off complete.
Clamps secure. All indicators green. We are go for final alignment checks.
T-minus 5 seconds and counting.
Systems check. Hydraulic pressure nominal.
Main engine ignition confirmed. We are go for launch.
Look at the fluctuation on channel 3. The pressure spike correlates exactly with the valve adjustment.
All systems reported green. Engineering, confirm trajectory parameters.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Trajectory holding steady.
We are go for launch.
Confirm trajectory stability on Sector 4.
Confirmed, Supervisor. All parameters nominal.
We are go for launch.
The pressure readings on manifold gamma are fluctuating slightly.
I just torqued those bolts. Let me check the connection again.
All systems are green. We are go for final sequence initiation. Confirm readiness across all stations.
T-minus 10 seconds. 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The laser alignment looks good from here.
Cross-referencing the schematics now.
Yes, structural integrity is confirmed. Final approval logged.
Confirmed. Logging the final parameters now.
Telemetry is green, propulsion systems are nominal.
Guidance systems are fully initialized.
All stations, we are go for launch.
Safety checks complete. All systems verified active and nominal. Logging final confirmation.
All right, team, all systems green. We are clear for launch.
Roger that.
Check the stabilization on channel 4.
Confirmed. All systems nominal. We are green across the board.
Barrier 4 secure, system shows green.
Confirmed. Alarm parameters nominal.
Final verification complete. We are go for launch.
Trajectory holding steady. Gimbal sensors just went green. We are go for launch.
Confirmed. All systems nominal. All stations report go for launch.
Systems check complete. We are green.
Confirmed.
Telemetry shows the trajectory is stable. Engine temps are holding nominal.
Confirmed. Pressure levels look good across the board.
Status check complete. We have confirmation of a successful launch.
Well done, everyone.